Hello my friends, welcome to my channel where I make Affinity fun and easy to learn. Without having to say much, if you've not subscribed to my channel, now is the best time to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss good videos like this that I'll be dropping anytime from now. So to start with, I have my documents. This is a 1920 by 1080, right? Pixels please, and I'm in the vector studio. So I'm just going to go ahead and select my ellipse tool. I'm going to hold down Shift and Control to draw a perfect circle like this. Now this is the first thing to do. Now duplicate this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and hold down Shift while you're bringing this outside like this. If you don't hold down Shift, this is what you get. So hold down Shift when you're bringing this out. So select the two of them. And one method to actually get it is click on the intersect like this. You're going to have this, right? Now another way you can do this is come over to the shape builder tool like this and select the minus and remove this and remove this. And of course, you are left with this leaf-like shape, right? But I'm just going to do this the first way using my intersect like this. So what next thing I'm going to do is click on it, make it smaller like this, right? So I'm going to zoom in so same things perfectly. So click on this middle point and drag it to the base here like this, right? So that's the first thing you need to do. Duplicate this, Ctrl J, and inside of transform, I'm going to insert this, right? And I'm going to Ctrl J and make several copies of this like this, right? So I'm going to select from the top, the first one here, this one, and I'm going to select the last one, and I'm going to reduce the opacity like this. Now this is the way to get this leaf-like structure, right? Then after giving it the opacity, I'm going to select everything like this and I'm going to group them. Make sure you change your opacity before you group them, right? So I can now proceed to make this bigger, just the way I want it. But then I'm going to add a background to this. So I'm going to draw a rectangle here like this. But I want to move it under this shape. I'm going to give it a black color like this. You can see it adds more dynamic to this shape. So selecting this, I'm going to make this bigger like this. So I can have something like this. Now, the easiest way to actually change the color of this, I'm going to go over first to my fill tool and I'm going to apply a gradient fill to this, right? So inside here, I can click on any point and change the color to exactly what I want, just like this. Or better still, I can go over to my swatches and add my gradients to this, right? Now, if you don't know how to get these gradients, I made a video about this. Check out the video in my last video where I talked about installing gradients inside of Affinity Studio. Right, so as you can see, I have this in place. I'm just going to go over to my ellipse to draw the ellipse and click on the transparency tool. I'm going to select radial like this, and I'm just going to make it bigger. Take it to the edge like this. Of course, I'm just going to make sure it's one color. So I'm just going to change this, but then let me duplicate this here also. And I'm going to have another one here. So I'm going to make sure it's just one color. All right, so I'm working with just this color here like this. So this is something that you can actually play around trying to create. I can change this just the way I want and anywhere I want it to be, right? I can use my recolor to actually change the color of this particular flower like this, right? So this is before. And of course, if you've liked this video, if you've gained something valuable from this video, make sure you don't click out without subscribing.
with over 1,000 premium fonts, over 100 high-quality PSD flyer templates, over 700 icons, over 3,000 premium stock photos, 3,000 plus high-resolution backgrounds, 1,000 plus 3D and PNG assets, editable PSD templates, and lots more. If you're a creative designer, UI, UX, or web designer, the Smart Designer's graphics assets will make your life much more easier.